Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can start couponing in 2021 and just give you guys the information that I have and my tips and tricks. So if you want to learn, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing you guys want to do is figure out which store or stores you would like to coupon at. And if you're a beginner, you'll probably want to stick to one store at first, just starting out, because you don't want to get all confused with all of the different rules and policies and stuff like that. So the first store that I have for you, and is one of my favorites, is CVS. So at CVS you can use manufacturer coupons, and for manufacturer coupons that includes printable coupons and the coupons from the newspaper, from the Sunday inserts, and then you can also print out coupons from whichever company's websites if they have them available. And then there are also digital coupons on the CVS app, and I will get more into the app. I'll get more into the app later on in this video. So on top of all of these different kinds of manufacturer coupons, you can also use the CVS CRTs, and CRT stands for cash register tape. So it's basically like personalized coupons for your CVS account. So you can stack those on top of the manufacturer coupons, whether it's digital or any paper ones that I just named right now. So yeah, those can be stacked together, and if you don't have any manufacturer coupons, you can stack those CRTs together alone by itself. So yeah, if you guys want more in-depth videos about each store, I will definitely do that. Just comment down below which store you guys want me to make an in-depth video about. Also, apart from CVS, but any store that you're couponing at in general, whether it's a manufacturer coupon from the Sunday inserts or a printable one, those two can't be used together because they're both manufacturer coupons and it can't be used on one item alone. So say right here I'm buying this, and say I have a digital coupon for $2 off of this, and then I have a paper coupon for also $2 off. They won't work together because they're the same coupon. So if you want to buy two of these and use those two coupons, that's how you'll be able to use them. Okay, so the next store that I have is Walgreens, and for Walgreens, of course, you can use manufacturer coupons. For all of these stores that I'm naming, you can use manufacturer coupons, so digital, printable, or the ones from the Sunday insert, so keep that in mind. And then so for Walgreens, there are these coupons called IVC coupons, which stands for instant value coupons. Yeah, so it comes in this little monthly booklet, savings booklet, in the front of the store typically. So these instant value coupons, or IVCs, they come off as many times as the product that you have. Like how much product you have, that'll be how many times it comes off. So if there's an IVC coupon for $2 off of this and you're buying two of them, you'll get a total of $4 off. And then on top of those IVC coupons, you can also use manufacturer coupons to stack on top of that. And I'm just going to give you guys a quick little example of how the IVC coupon and then the other regular manufacturer coupons work. So let's say this Nivea body wash, you're going to buy one of these for, or you're going to buy two of them for $9.99 each. And then on the Walgreens savings booklet, the IVC booklet, there's going to be a $5 coupon on there, and you just open that booklet and you give it to the cashier. I don't know, I couldn't think of that. The cashier to scan that, and then so a total of $10 will come off of that. And then say you have a $4 coupon for two $4 coupons, so you'll get a total of $8 off in manufacturer coupons and then $10 off in IVC coupons. So if you get two of these, that would make them 99 cents each. So I hope that makes some sense to you guys. Okay, and then the next store that I have for you guys is another store that I coupon at a lot, which is Walmart. So Walmart, they don't have any digital coupons or anything like that, how Walgreens and CVS do, but they do have a lot of items that you can buy for rebates. So the ones that I use, sorry, I'm trying to move, but the ones that I use are Ibotta, Shopkick, Fetch Rewards, Swagbucks, and Checkout 51, which I don't use too often. And there is also coupons.com, the app, but I haven't used that yet, so I don't really know too much about it. So along with some of these rebate apps, because there are some rules where you can't combine coupons or other rebate apps when you're using one of them, but for some of them you can. So I'll be talking about that in a few seconds or minutes, I don't know. But yeah, so if you guys see me looking down, I'm looking at my notes on my iPad. So yeah. Yeah, so at Walmart you can use manufacturer coupons on any item, and that also includes clearance. So for example, this isn't what I got, but I keep showing this one, but since it's right there, so say this was on clearance for $1.50 and I had a $3 coupon for it, I can use that coupon on it, and if I'm buying any other items, which you would have to if you're doing a deal like that, you would get $1.50 in overage, which would give you $1.50 to cover any of the remaining balance of whatever else you're buying. Also, at all of these stores you can use any of these rebate apps. It just depends on if it has that rebate for that certain store, because it'll tell you like which store it applies to. So yeah. Okay, so my next store is Target. So for Target, if you have the Target Circle app, you can get percentage off coupons digitally and digital coupons or digital manufacturer coupons along with that. So yeah, and for those percentage off coupons, you can also stack those with the manufacturer coupons, whether it's digital or in paper form. So you can definitely stack those together for a even better deal. Okay, and the next store that I have for you guys is Dollar General, and at Dollar General they have digital coupons as well, and they also have this I don't really know what to call it. Every Saturday they do a $5 off of a $25 purchase. So when you do that, if you guys have seen my Dollar General videos, you can use a bunch of different manufacturer coupons, so digital or paper coupons, along with that to stack on top of that 5 off of 25 to get a really great deal. So I'm also posting that tomorrow, because tomorrow's Saturday, so I'm gonna be posting a Dollar General video tomorrow, and it's gonna be a good one, so stay tuned for that if you guys shop at Dollar General or want to shop at Dollar General. So Dollar General actually also does overage, so just like what I talked about with the Walmart, but for Dollar General this could be with a digital coupon as well. So there's also glitches on their app, so sometimes coupons attach to things it's not supposed to attach to, but sometimes it does, so that can give some good deals sometimes if you're okay with that. Okay, and the final store that I have for you guys is Family Dollar, and I've only gone to Family Dollar a few times, but I'm not gonna say it's the same as Dollar General because it's definitely not as good in my opinion, but they do sometimes have a 5 off of 25 like Dollar General, except it's not every Saturday, so it's just occasionally, and you can do the same thing with the manufactured coupons and then that 5 off of 25. But for Family Dollar there is no overage, so it'll just adjust down to the cost of whatever that item is. So for example, let's grab a different product this time. So let's say this is $1, and say there's a $2 digital coupon attaching to it. It'll only take off $1 for this item, making it still free but no overage. Okay, and after you choose any of those stores I was just talking about and giving you like a little brief explanation on each of them, you're going to want to get an account for whichever store it is, and for all of these stores it's free to sign up for any of them, so you don't have to worry about that. It doesn't cost any money for any of these accounts. Okay, so once you get everything figured out, like what store you want, and then after you make your accounts and whatnot, you're gonna want to decide like how you're gonna get your coupons, or if you want to stick to strictly digital coupons. So I personally don't like doing only digital deals unless it's, I've only done that like at Dollar General, but I don't really like using or doing all digital deals because for me it personally doesn't always end up the way I plan it out. But you can also get your coupons from, like I said, the Sunday newspaper inserts, and then there's printable coupons from coupons.com, and then also printable coupons from the company's website itself. And then you can also have or email companies and ask them if they have any coupons that they're willing to send you, and then just add your address and they'll send it to you. Because I've done that plenty of times and people are like, oh, where do you get your coupons? And because it's a different looking coupon, and I'll show you guys right now what it looks like. Okay, so these are just a few different coupons that I have to show you guys that I've been sent. So for example, there's this what is it, $1 off of any 2 Sun-Maid items, and this expires on December 31st of next year. So I got this like in the middle of 2020, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but something like that. And then I have this Nivea coupon, and it looks like this. So I've shown this in one of my Target videos before, and people were like, where do you get your coupons? So I just emailed the Nivea company website. And then I have these two. They're not the same ones. They look the same, but they are not. This one is 75 cents off of Lady Speed Stick deodorant, and this one is 35, did I say percent or cents? I don't 75 cents, not 75% if I said that. And then this one's 35 cents off of Palmolive dish soap. So yeah, this is just where I get some of my coupons at. Sometimes, definitely not all the time, because sometimes there's better digital coupons or better inserts. So okay, so the next thing I wanted to talk about is using rebate apps. And if you are couponing, or even if you're not couponing, you should always use rebate apps, because there's so many items on every rebate app that you can use, and if you're already buying that product like in general, then you could get money back for it. So that's a good tip if you want to save money but you don't want coupons. But I'm sure if you're watching this video, you're here to learn how to coupon. So yeah. So the first rebate app I have for you guys is Ibotta, and also I have my referral codes for all of these rebate apps below if you guys want to use my code to get extra money when you sign up. So yeah, that's in the description box. So yeah, anyways, so with Ibotta, Ibotta can be combined when you're using coupons on whatever item it is, and it can be combined with another rebate app or multiple rebate apps. So keep that in mind, because for some of them that I'm about to talk about, you can't do that, but some people do. I'm one of them, but yeah, you're not really supposed to, but you know. So also for Ibotta, the way you get your money is through a gift card, or you can transfer it to PayPal or transfer it to your bank account. I personally get gift cards because at all of the stores that I coupon at, I get money back for everything that I'm couponing for. Well, not everything, but you know what I mean. For a lot of things at least. And I use that rebate money to pay for my next couponing trip, and it kind of goes in a cycle, so I'm kind of just recycling the rebate money, and I'm getting rebate money. Or I'm not too good at explaining things, but basically I go couponing and I am using the rebate money that I have to get even more rebate money. So I'm doing deals on money makers to get more money back than I spent, but I'm not spending my money, I'm spending my rebate money. So yeah, of course you can't do that if you're just beginning, but once you really start and get into it, then you'll be able to reach the level where you can just only use rebate money to pay your subtotals down. So yeah, that's a good tip if you guys want to start seriously couponing. Okay, so the next one is Fetch Rewards, and on Fetch Rewards you can scan any receipt, it could be whatever, and on like random receipts you'll probably get 5 to 25 points. And on Fetch Rewards, how the money works is 1,000 points equals $1 and so on. So like 750 Fetch Rewards points equals 75 cents. So for Fetch Rewards, you can only get gift cards, I believe. I'm pretty sure. I don't think you can do PayPal or anything like that. So I think it's just gift cards for Fetch Rewards, but it's still great because you can also get bonuses on top of that. Like, for example, if you're buying this Eucerin lotion, say it has a bonus for when you buy one, you'll get 2,000 Fetch Rewards points back. So that's getting $2 back. And say this was $5 and you used a $2 coupon on that, then it'll make this just $1 after you get those Fetch Rewards points back. And you can also combine Fetch Rewards with other rebate apps and of course coupons. So this next rebate app I've been using quite a bit and I've been loving it actually. So this next one I'm going to be talking about is Shopkick. So on Shopkick, the way you determine how much money you're getting back, because it can be a little confusing at first. So for example, this was actually a deal on Shopkick, I think like 2 weeks ago or a week and a half ago maybe. So I think this was $6.99, but this was in a bundle, so I'm just gonna make up a scenario really quick. So this was $6.99 and I had a $2 like sticky hanging coupon. So yeah, $6.99 with that $2 coupon, and then I'm getting, let's say, 1,000 kicks back. So 1,000 kicks is equivalent to $4, and the way you determine that is multiplying 1,000 times 0.004. So yeah, but in this case, this 1,000 kicks back is equivalent to $4. So $6.99 minus that $2 coupon, and then you're gonna get back $4, making this free and a moneymaker if this were a real scenario. And for Shopkick, you just get gift cards back. So I think for a $50 gift card, you have to have like 12,500 kicks all together. But I know for like lower amounts of gift cards, it's a lower amount of kicks, but I usually always get $50 gift cards, so yeah. Also on Shopkick, you can use coupons, like of course, like I just did with that example, and you can use other rebate apps along with that. So say I had no coupons for that body wash and I'm gonna get that 1,000 kicks, which is $4 back, and then on Ibotta I'll get $2 back for it. So still the same outcome, but it's combining rebate apps together instead of a rebate app and a coupon. Okay, so this next rebate app, which is Swagbucks, you aren't supposed to use any coupons or use it along with any other rebate apps, but many people do, and like I said, I am one of them. But yeah, so for example, this was actually a Swagbucks deal. I have the little thing because I got all 4 of them. So these are, oh my gosh, I almost dropped them. These are the Mentos Clean Breath Mints, the 150 count. So I didn't have any coupons for this, but the deal was to get 1,600 Swagbucks or $16 back for all 4 of these, and these are $3.12 each, so that's about 12 12.48, I believe. 12.48, 12 something like that. But anyways, you're getting $6 back, so that made this like a $3.50 something cent moneymaker. So these were completely free, and I got extra money back for buying them. So yeah, so for Swagbucks, you're not supposed to use any coupons or other rebate apps with it, but if I did have a coupon for that, it would have made it an even bigger moneymaker. So I'm not condoning not following the rules, but like I said, I kind of don't. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know you can, but just be careful. And the way you get your money back from Swagbucks is through gift cards. So yeah, that's how I get it. I don't think you can use PayPal on that, but not 100% sure. Because, no, actually, I lied. You can use PayPal to transfer your money, but I personally don't use PayPal, and I don't have an account with PayPal anymore, so I don't do that. But if you have a PayPal and you want to transfer it to that, then you can also do that instead of a gift card. So this last rebate app is coupons.com, and so for that, I'm not too familiar with it, but I know the way you get your money back is transferring it through PayPal. But that's all I know because I personally don't use it. Okay, so my next little tip is to be super organized. And I know some people aren't organized, and sometimes I'm not organized. Like sometimes it takes me like the whole week to get my whole binder organized. So yes, I do use a binder. I have it unzipped right now because I wanted to show you guys. I got this one at Walmart for like $5 to $8. I'm not too sure. And I also I don't want to drop anything. These sleeves right here, they're also from Walmart, in like where the printer paper is, I believe. Pretty sure, but they're like the ones for like baseball cards and stuff. So yeah. So you need to stay organized, or at least I personally do, because if my binder isn't organized, then honestly, usually my deals don't even go that great, because if it's not organized, then all my breakdowns probably aren't even organized either, and it's all bad. So I also use one of these. I got this at the Dollar Tree last year. I don't really know what to call it. I think it's like an accordion folder thing. That's just what I call it. I'm not too sure, but I use this to store some of my coupons, and I'll get more into that in a second. So like I said, this is where I keep all my coupons, and this right here, the zipper is actually broken, so I need to get a new one. But I'm gonna stand up right here so I can show you guys. But this right here is where I keep all of my CRTs. I actually went to CVS like the other day, so this is like a coupon that I need to cut out. But since I have multiple accounts, I keep them all together, and I categorize them in whatever category they're in. So I put the laundry stuff with laundry stuff, and the personal care items, or like razors with the razors, and just so on. So I categorize my CRTs like that, and I just have them in there. And see, I'm not that organized, but I need to cut out the coupons that are on here before Sunday at least. So yeah, right here, oops, I just kicked my tripod, but right here I have all of my coupons in my coupon sleeves. So that's how I organize them. So I organize them by category as well, but it got a little unorganized like a couple weeks ago because I was super overwhelmed with all my videos and the deals and stuff. So yeah, I need to go through them. But here you can't see it, but I have all of my receipts that I need to scan and whatnot, so I just keep them all together just so I know that those are the ones I need to scan. And then in this pocket up here, as I showed you guys earlier in the video, those are all of the, not all of the coupons that have been emailed, but coupons that like can't fit in any of those little pockets in the sleeve. And then right here, these are all coupons that I haven't cut out. So yeah, I haven't cut any of those out, so they're not in any of the little sleeves. So yeah, that's how I keep my binder. And I also have a pair of scissors in here, and this is just if I ever lose anything and I need to like hold some paper or something together. And then this little notebook journal thing, I use it to write down all of my deals and breakdowns when I go to the store and my shopping list. So yeah, so you always need to keep up to date with all of your coupons, because you don't want to have coupons from like a year or 2 years ago still in your binder. So I go through it every week when I get my new inserts. So after I go couponing on Sunday, because I usually purchase my coupons on Sunday at the Dollar Tree. So that's also a good tip when you're buying coupons, because it saves money. But sometimes you don't have certain coupons in your region, so that means you would have to order them from like a coupon fairy or something. And I'll also link down below where I order my coupons from. So the final thing that I'm going to be talking about for this video, because it is long enough, is what I do to get prepared for a couponing trip. So the first thing I do, like I showed you guys that little notebook that I have, I write down, or you can type a Google Doc of each of your breakdowns for each like transaction you're gonna do. So that's what I do to get prepared to know exactly what I'm gonna do and exactly what the outcome is supposed to be, so I'm not all confused like when I get to the register, or not confused while I'm grabbing the items that I need. So after I write down each of my breakdowns, I make a list of everything I need all together. So even if it's in different transactions, I put it all together as a list. So in case it's like something that everyone's trying to get, I make a list so that I can get it all at once, instead of going back and forth and saying, oh, I was supposed to get this item, but then I forgot it and I was already there, but I have to go back, because you know what I mean. So yeah, so I wanted to show you guys that. So like I said, I write down each of my transactions. So for example, this is how it is for my Dollar General deals for tomorrow, and I have like the total for every single thing combined. So yeah, I just write it down for each transaction I'm going to be doing. And then this is my list for everything in total, from all of those deals that I need to get. And I actually need to update it because I found another great deal. So if you guys want to see all of these fantastic deals that I'm going to be doing at Dollar General tomorrow, then stay tuned for my video tomorrow. So yeah, along with that, you're gonna want to, like I showed you guys this when I was showing you guys my whole binder, you're gonna want to have all of the coupons ready. So like I showed you guys for all of, or where is it? I have like random pages. So for example, for like this chunk right here, I have it highlighted like which account it is. So I have it split up for all of the paper coupons that I need for tomorrow for each transaction. And then of course there's digital coupons, so I already have those clipped to for each account that I need it on. And then at any store, not just Dollar General, so at any store that I'm couponing at, if I'm doing multiple transactions for multiple transactions in general, even if it's on the same account or even if it's on a different account, I always split it up in my cart just so I know what goes with what, so I'm not accidentally putting something in a transaction and then I don't have the right thing for it and it gets all messed up, because I have definitely done that before and I was so confused. So make sure to always organize everything so you know which goes with what. That's why I make those lists, so even if I do have it mixed up in the cart, I can go look at my little breakdown and I'll know what goes with what. So the final thing that I'm going to be saying in this video is, when you do start couponing, you're always going to mess up, because it's not the easiest thing to understand at first, but once you get the hang of it, of course you'll be fine and it's not scary or anything. So if you do mess up in a transaction and it doesn't go the way you thought it would or the way you had it planned out, you can always ask them to just void the transaction, and if you already gave them your coupons, just ask them for the coupons back. Or if you're like too shy to do that, because I used to be at first, something that I do, if it doesn't go out to the way I expected it to be, I just say that like I have to get a few more things, and then I go and regroup and figure out what went wrong. And then when I figure it out, and then if I can correct the mistake, then I could just come back and do the whole transaction over since they voided it. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, sorry for the super long video. I just wanted to explain to you guys everything of my knowledge and all my little tips and tricks. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and if you like any of my other videos that I post. You can also follow me on Instagram down below for even quicker updates and other deals, because I post deals, like smaller deals on there that I don't make a whole video about. So if you guys want to see that, it is at savewithaj on Instagram down below, and there's a link, I think. If there's not, I'll be adding one, so there will be one when you guys see this. So yeah, and then for my Rebate app referral code, that's also linked down below if you guys want to get some extra money when you first sign up with my referral code. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in tomorrow's Dollar General 5 off of 25 video.